Can you get in there from the other side or what?
I'll go the other side.
Fucking hell. Come on, not get in there. Fucking hell, drag it out. Alright. Far out.
Get it for me.
Can you? Get in there, dog. It's just the two dogs in there.
Good dog.
Fucking New Zealand, eat your heart out. Another brown one.
Good dog. Good dog.
Yep. That's it. Can you pull him out, or once he's dead, we can pull him out the other way.
He's going out.
Oh yeah, I can see him here. Good dogs.
Good find.
Hey. I'm gonna mark this spot though. It's worth coming back here. Good wolf. Wolf, get off. Wolf. He's dead.
He sounded bigger because of the cage.
Yeah, echo.
Now that was a find.
Good work, dogs. Good stuff.
It's handy having Tiger because he barks.
Yeah, that's what Blazers do.